Today I am explain about the decoders. A decoder is a multiple input, multiple output logic circuit that converts coded inputs into coded outputs, where the input and outputs codes are different. The input code generally has fewer bits than the output code, and there is a one-to-one mapping from input code words into output code words. The general structure of a decoder circuit is shown in below figure. The enable inputs, if present, must be asserted for the decoder to perform its normal mapping function. The most commonly used input code is an n-bit binary code, where an n-bit word represents one of 2 power n different coded values. Normally, the range from 0 through 2 power n minus 1. The input code lines select which output is active. The remaining output lines are disabled. Therefore, the decoder is intended to provide a binary code to other circuits, such as a memory circuit. In this case, the decoder referred to as an address decoder because it selects one address of a memory location. However, a decoder could also be used to channel a stream of data on a designated output line selected by the input code lines. The block diagram of a n to 2 power n decoder as shown in above figure. Here x1, x2, x3, so on xm are the input codes, and here enable input is there, and y1, y2, y3, so on yn are the output codes. Here different types of decoders: binary decoders, 2 to 4 binary decoders, 3 to 8 decoder, 4 to 16 decoder. So here applications of decoders are widely used in binary to decimal decoder, address decoders, instruction decoders. So these are the example and applications of the decoder. And here now I am explaining about the 2 to 4 binary decoder. The 2 to 4 binary decoder symbol and its related truth table as shown in above PPT. So here in the symbol A and B are the inputs, and Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3 are the outputs. And before going to the truth table, binary decoder. Binary decoder is another combinational logic circuit constructed from individual logic gates and is the exact opposite to that of an encoder. The name decoder means to translate or decode coded information from one format into another. So, a binary decoder transforms n binary input signals into an equivalent code using a 2 power n outputs. So, binary decoder. Binary decoders are another type of digital logic device that has inputs of 2 bit, 3 bits, or 4 bit codes depending upon the number of data input lines. So, a decoder that has a set of 2 or more bits will be defined as having an n bit code and therefore it will be possible to represent 2 power n possible values. Therefore, a decoder generally decodes a binary values into a non-binary one by setting exactly one of its n outputs to logic 1. If a binary decoder receives n inputs, it activates one and only one of its 2 power n outputs based on that input, with all other outputs deactivated. So here shown the NOT gate. NOT gate is also known as the inverter because in this gate the output is complement of the inputs. So here A is 1 and its output is A bar. So A bar means it is 0, and here another A is the enable. So for example, an inverter NOT gate can be classified then can be classed as a 1 to 2 binary decoder as one input and two outputs possible because with an input A it can produce two outputs A and A bar as shown in above figure. Then we can say that a standard combinational logic decoder is an N to M decoder where M less than 2 power N and whose output Q is dependent only on its present input states. In other words, a binary decoder looks at its current inputs, determines which binary code or binary number is present at its inputs, and selects the appropriate output that corresponds to that binary input. A binary decoder converts coded inputs into coded outputs where the input and output codes are different and decoders are available to decode either a binary or BCD. BCD is also known as the 8421 code input pattern to typically a decimal output code. Commonly available BCD to decimal decoders include the TTL 7442 or the CMOS. TTL means transistor logic, CMOS means a complementary metal oxide semiconductor. 4028. Generally, a decoder output code normally has more bits than its input code, and a practical binary decoder circuit include 2 to 4, 3 to 8 and 4 to 16 line configurations. An example of a 2 to 4 line decoder along with its truth table is given as a 2 to 4 binary decoder. So 2 to 4 binary decoder circuit symbol and its truth table and actual circuit diagram of the 2 to 4 binary decoder as shown in above PPT. Here in the circuit symbol 2 to 4 binary decoder, it contains 2 inputs. Here 2 are the inputs and 4 are the different outputs. So we know before I am explain about the decoder information. It contains n inputs and 2 power n outputs. So here n is equal to 2 and 2 power n means 2 power 2 is equal to 4. That means it contains 2 different inputs and 2 power 2 is equal to 4 outputs. So in the symbol A and B are the inputs and outputs Q0, Q1, Q2 and Q3 here. So in its truth table A and B are the inputs. So you can take 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. The above truth table among that 4 different outputs, one of the output is high and remaining all other outputs are 0. And when applying 0, 1, then Q1 is high and remaining all other are zeros. And when applying 1, 0 input, then Q2 is high and remaining all are zeros. When applying inputs 1, 1, then Q3 is high and remaining all are zeros. So here the 2 binary inputs labeled A and B are decoded into one of 4 outputs. So here this simple example above of a 2 to 4 line binary decoder consists of an array of 4 AND gates. The 2 binary inputs labeled A and B are decoded into one of 4 outputs. Hence the description of 2 to 4 binary decoder, each output represents one of the minterms of the 2 input variables. Each output is equal to A minterms. So in the above circuit diagram, you can take A and it inverters is an NOT gate and B and it inverters is NOT gate. So these are the inputs. So based on the SOP form, standard SOP form, sum of the product, you can write the truth table outputs here. So from the above truth table, here Q0 output is equal to, based on the SOP form, here 0 is the complement and 1 is the uncomplement. So A bar, B bar, and Q1 is equal to A bar and B, and Q2 is equal to A and B bar, and here Q3 is equal to A and B. So by using these outputs, we can draw the block diagram of the 2 to 4 binary decoder. So here first output Q0 is equal to A bar B bar. So here take A bar and B bar, you can draw the AND gate. Therefore Q0 is equal to A bar B bar, and the next output Q1 is equal to A bar B. So you can take A bar and simple B and draw the AND gate, and next take another output, that is Q2, that is Q2 is equal to A B bar. So A taken from the terminal and B bar and draw the AND gate. So Q2 is equal to A B bar, and here Q3 is equal to AB. Simple take A and B and draw the AND gate. So here A, B, A bar, B bar are the data lines, and here Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3 are the decoded outputs. So this is about the two to four binary decoder. Next time I explain about the three into eight decoder. Here 3 means input lines and 8 is the output. So here n is equal to 3 and output 2 power n. 2 power 3 is equal to 8 different outputs. So you can observe here A, B, C are the inputs, and D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7 are the outputs, and it is grounded is the enable terminal here. Here 3 to 8 decoder. A 3 to 8 decoder has 3 inputs A, B, C and 8 outputs, that is D0 to D7. So based on the 3 inputs, one of the 8, based on the, this is important line, append sorry, based on the 3 inputs, one of the 8 output is selected. The truth table of a 3 to 8 decoder is shown in the next PPT. From the truth table, it is seen that only one of 8 outputs, D0 to D7, is selected based on three selected inputs. From the truth table, the logic expression for outputs can be written as follows. So the truth table of the 3 to 8 decoder, inputs and outputs. So here A, B, C are the inputs, D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, and D7 are the different outputs. So here inputs take 0 to 7, that is nothing but a 6. So 0 to 1 binary forms ABC 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1. So these are the different inputs from 0 to 7. And when applying a 0 0 0 input, then D0 is high and remaining all outputs are zeros. And when applying a 0 0 1, then D1 is high and remaining all outputs are 0. And when applying a 0 1 0, then D2 is high and remaining all are zeros. And when applying a 0 1 1, then D3 is high and remaining all other outputs are zeros. And when applying a 1 0 0, then D4 is high and remaining all other outputs are zeros. And when applying a 1 0 1, then fifth D5 is high and remaining all are zeros. And when applying a 1 1 0, then D6 is high and remaining all others zeros. And when applying a 1 1 1, then D7 is high and remaining all others are zeros. So based on the truth table, we can write the outputs, that is D0 is equal to same by using the standard SOP form. In this standard SOP form means sum of the products. In this standard form, 0 is a complement and 1 is a uncomplement. So D0 is equal to ABC. 0 is complements means A bar, B bar and C bar. And next D1 is equal to A bar, B bar and C. D2 is equal to A bar, B, C bar. And D3 is equal to A bar, B, C. And D4 is equal to A, B bar, C bar. And D5 is equal to A, B bar, C. And D6 is equal to A, B, C bar. And D7 is equal to A, B, C. So here using the above expression, the circuit of a 3 to 8 decoder can be implemented using 3 NOT gates and 3 NOT gates and 8 3 input AND gates as shown in the next PPT. The 3 inputs A, B and C are decoded into 8 outputs, each output representing one of the midterms of the 3 input variables. Next, the 3 inverters provided the complement of the inputs and each one of the wait and gate generates one of the midterms. So this decoder can be used for decoding any 3-bit code to provide 8 outputs corresponding to 8 different combinational of the input code. This is also called a 1 of 8 decoder since only one of 8 output lines is high for a particular input combination. So the logic diagram of 3 to 8 decoder is shown here. So here take A, B, C are the inputs and their complements A bar, B bar and C bar. You can simply take a NOT gate and draw the another extra gate. So here D0 means A bar, B bar, C bar. So take A bar, B bar, C bar and draw the D0, that is draw the AND gate and take D1 is equal to A bar, B bar, C. So take A bar, B bar, C and draw the D1 output and take D3, D2, A, B, C bar. Take A, D2 means for A bar, B, C bar and draw the AND gate, that is D2 and next draw the D3, that is A bar, B, C. So A bar, B, C, D3 and next D4 is A, B bar, C bar and draw the AND gate and next D5 is equal to A, B bar, C and D6 is equal to A, B, C bar and D7 is equal to A, B, C. So these are the logic diagram of the 3 to 8 decoder. Next I am explain about the BCD to decimal decoder. So BCD means it is a group of 4 bits. So 4 decimal means 10, but in this you can realize the n is equal to 4, 2 power 4 is equal to 16 outputs, but 0 to 9 are the valued output in this decoder and 10 to 15 are the invalid outputs. So 0 to 9 means 10 decimal outputs. So it observe the above PPT, the logic diagram of the BCD to decimal decoder. So here A0, A1, A2, A3 are the binary inputs and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are the binary outputs here. So in this logic diagram, you can take the circuit logic diagram. So here from this truth table, we can write the outputs, decoding output functions. So here take this y 0 to 9 is y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6, y7, y8 and y9. So you can write by using about truth table the different outputs by using the SOP, standard SOP form. So here same 0 is complement and 1 is uncomplement. So y0 is equal to A1 bar, B1 bar, A2 bar, A0 bar, A1 bar, sorry, A2 bar, A3 bar. And next take y1, A0 bar, A1 bar, A2 bar, A3. And next take y2 is equal to A0 bar, A1 bar, A2 and A3 bar. Next y3 is taken here A0 bar, A1 bar, A2, A3. And next take y4 is A0 bar, A1, A2 bar, A3 bar. Next take y5. So here A0 bar, A1, A2 bar, A3. The next take y6. It is equal to A0 bar, A1, A2 and A3 bar. And the next y7 is equal to A0 bar, A1, A2, A3. And we take here y8 is equal to A0, A1 bar, A2 bar, A3 bar. And the next y9 is equal to A0, A1 bar, A2 bar, A3. So these are the different decoding outputs by using the BCD inputs. So that is A0, A1, A2, A3, different outputs here, and you can draw the output by using the this different outputs. So first you can draw the A0 and A0 bar, and A1 bar, and first you can draw the A0, A1, A2, A3, and in the same form you can draw the same another line that is A0 bar by using NOT gate, A1 bar, A2 bar, and A3 bar. So we first to draw the Y0. Y0 is equal to draw A0 bar, A1 bar, A2 bar, A3 bar. Draw the AND gate, and next take Y1. So Y1 is equal to A0 bar, A1 bar, A2 bar, A3. You can take these four different input terminals and draw the AND gate. And next take Y2 output. It can be drawn by using A0 bar, A1 bar, A2 and A3 bar, and draw the AND gate by using these four input terminals. And next draw the Y3. So take Y3 here, A0 bar, A1 bar, A2 and A3. And next take Y4. So Y4 is equal to draw A0 bar, A1, A2 bar and A3 bar. And next take Y5. Y5 is equal to A0 bar, A1, A2 bar, A3. And next take Y6. So here Y6 is A0 bar, A1, A2 and A3. Next take Y7. Y7 is equal to A0 bar, A1, A2 and A3. Next take Y8. Y8 is equal to A0, A1 bar, A2 bar, A3 bar. And next take Y9. Y9 is equal to A0, A1 bar, A2 bar and A3 here. So this is the logic diagram of the BCD to decimal decoder here. And next applications of the decoder. The decoders were used in analog to digital conversion in analog decoders. It is used in electronic circuit to convert instructions into CPU control signals. the mainly used in logical circuit data transfer. So these are the important applications of the decoder, and these are mainly used in binary to decimal decoder or address decoders and instruction decoder. The decoder were used in analog to digital conversion in analog decoders, used in electronic circuit to convert instruction into CPU control signals. The mainly used in logic circuits and data transferred. And these are used in binary to a decimal decoder and binary to octal decoder and BCD to decimal decoders, and these are used in address decoders, and these are used in instruction decoders, and these are used in also 4-bit into hexadecimal decoders. So this is about the different decoders, means binary to 4-bit decoder, binary decoders, 3 to 8 decoders, and their operations along with their circuit symbols, truth tables. Based on the truth table, you can write the different outputs depending on the size of the decoders. And by using that truth table, you can write the different outputs. And by using that different outputs, you can draw the logic diagram of the different decoders and their operation. And finally, the important applications of the decoder is studied in this class. Thank you.